What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you searched for something on YouTube and thought, maybe I don't want anyone to see that, no worries, I have got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to delete your search history on YouTube. We are talking lightning fast. Ready? Let's get into it. Once you have opened up your YouTube, go to your profile by clicking your profile icon on the bottom right. Now click on the settings icon on the upper right corner. Now scroll down until you find your data in YouTube. Click on it. Once you are in it, scroll down until you find YouTube search history. Tap on it. It will take you here and you have to click on Manage History. And click on the Delete drop-down icon. Here you can see three options: delete today, delete custom range, and delete all time. Delete today means the search history of your today's search will be deleted. And if you want to delete the history of a customized range of time, then you might choose the delete custom range. And if you go for delete all time, it will delete all of your search history in YouTube. Now I'm going for delete today. Yeah, the deletion is complete. Just like that, your YouTube search history is gone. If you loved this quick tip, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring the bell because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Just like that, your YouTube search history is gone. If you loved this quick tip, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring the bell because you don't want to miss what's coming next. More awesome tech hacks and tips are on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.